Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darmiey. I hope you're having a good day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious eggplant sauce. So let's get started. So I'm going to cut the eggplant into 4. And then I'm going to lay them on my baking sheet. Set this aside and do the second one. Now I'm going to sprinkle this with some salt to help draw the water out while I prep the rest of my veggies. The eggplant acts as a sponge, so I want to make sure that I get most of the water out, so it's going to be able to soak up the sauce I make for it. Okay. Now this part is optional, but since I'm already roasting my eggplants, I decided to roast my pepper mix too in the oven to give it like a deeper flavor. So I'm just going to cut my onions. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below so you can check it out. So I'm done prepping my pepper mix. I have onions, red mini peppers, yellow orange mini peppers. I have some tomatoes and I have habanero peppers. And then I'm going to get my eggplants. I can already see some water pooling on the surface. So I'm just going to flip this because I want the skin to get really dry so I'll be able to take it off. Now I'm going to go put the eggplants and my peppers in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. So my peppers are ready. I'm just going to blend this in my food processor. Roasting it also helps me remove some of the moisture from the tomatoes. Now in a hot pan, I'm going to add some palm oil. And I'm going to add my blended pepper mix. So while my sauce is cooking behind, I'm just going to get the eggplant and then I'm going to scrape it out. Can see how easily the skin comes off. So I'm just going to do this and scoop out all the flesh, and then you have the skins. So I'm going to do this for all the eggplants. Alright, I'm done getting all the skins off. It looks like this, and this is the eggplant. So I'm just going to mash it with the back of a spoon. Now I'm going to add some crayfish and my mashed eggplants. And you want to give this a good mix. And then I'll add a little bit of fish bone broth. I have a recipe for this and how I roast fish at home on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link up and in the description box below. And then I'm going to add some roast mackerel. Now I'm going to cover this and let this come to a simmer. So it's been simmering for about 5 minutes. We're going to check on it now and give this a good mix. Now we are going to check for seasoning. Remember, we put some salt on the eggplants before roasting it. We added some crayfish, which has some salt, and then the fish bone broth, which is salty, and the roast fish itself is salty. So we taste for seasoning to see if we need more. So I'm just going to add 1 cube of seasoning and a pinch of salt. That's this much. I give this a good mix and we are done. This is how it looks. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also leave a comment in the comment section on what you think about this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 5 p.m. West African time or 12 p.m. Eastern time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.